Hi, I'm Shikha Gupta, CEO of Thridify. In this video, I will be telling you how to add an environment image or an HDR image on an object to manipulate the lighting of the object. And also, I will tell you how to add a Skybox image behind a 3D object to create a beautiful scene. Okay, let's start. So, I will choose one product. Let's say we choose this sofa. Click on customize. I have opened the sofa in front of me. So to add an environment image and a Skybox image, I need an HDR file. Uh, I will go to this right navigation menu and click on the scenery icon. I will first add the environment image, select image. I will search for an HDR file. Let's take this one. So you start seeing the difference. Now this is the sofa looks as if it is placed in that brown room. Let's also add the same image to the Skybox scene. Again, going to the scenery icon, I will select image, the same one. Okay, so now I have placed this sofa in this and in the Skybox. So whenever you're using this sofa in a virtual reality situation, you can see the sofa placed in this equirectangular image. We can set it anywhere as at an appropriate place. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.